Hello everyone, my name is Adit and today I am going to showcase the demo project which is given as an assignment. So basically we have 5 tasks which is given by ConsultBae. So the first task is that we have 3 data sets and we have to clean it, make the data consistent. So the first approach is that we can basically use that 3 data set and make a pipeline and clean the data, but here there are limits. We can only we can only upload only 3 files, but I have make a feature of upload CSVs where you can basically upload n number of files and it will automatically handles it. So basically coming to upload CSV, we have upload those 3 sources which is given as a which is given uh, by the hiring team. So source 1, source 2, source 3. Here is a feature that you can upload multiple CSV at a same time. So we have just uploaded it, and yes, you see the summary, how many there are total CSV rows, how many are valid profiles, how many new profiles are created, how many of them are duplicates profile. So basically we have see it will upload it, and this data is very clean. It is clean data and it is merged data. There are many data which have redundancy and all. So we make a pipeline where we have written various logic, just like format and structural issue logic, field standardization logic, priority entity resolution logic, our smart merge logic, and so we have written these sorts of logic, and it goes to that pipeline and it will produce us the clean data. So basically just like the date formats can be many types, so we have standardized that format. There is also a mechanism how you basically confirm that these two persons are same. We have used smart logic features. We have write various function in it, and it will run and work properly. So this is our first thing. So now there are various features I have implemented here. You can basically see the log history. In the log history, we see that data which are basically rejected. So currently no data is rejected because everything is going good, and every profile is being merged. But suppose I have upload one CSV which is basically created by me, and it does not have name fields, which is very mandatory fields. So it will give rejected, and it also produce the log history and also give the reason. So I have just uploaded it. Yeah, you see there are total 13 CSV. 9 are valid, but but basically 4 are rejected profiles. That rejected profile are shown in the log history. Yeah, you can see there are 4 rejected profiles, and you can also download that file in the CSV, and with a reason. You see source file, in which row they have present, and what are their reason. So everything is shown here. So this is our log history feature. Then download report means all the whole list which is given here, you can just download in a single click. You can see this file in the CSV. This is also one of the feature. You can also refresh the list. And download template, basically it is a template, just like it is a template, basically blank template for to upload CSV, just like we upload the CSV in a head in a format. So for that purpose you can use that template, and also you can also extend the columns, and it will automatically handles. The automation is run in a such a way. So basically, and there is also a feature manage column. You can see there are only 5 columns shown in the front, but you can see many things. You can see just like this, the all the data which is shown here. We just like select that column and it will shown here. You just see it. So it is a very good thing. You can see all our data in just a once of a profile. You can edit. There are also some fields which you can edit it and save it and rerun the pipeline. Basically, suppose you edit some phone number, you edited, but that phone number is already used by someone, so it will also give you the error that give you a error that this phone number is already used. So these type of basically validation is also applied in this system. So this is our first task. And yeah, you can here also there is a search functionality. You can just suppose you have want to search Pooja Nair, so just you have to type Pooja and you just see all the Pooja come here. So all the data of that Pooja name come here. So it is also a basically a search functionality. You can also filter it by city. This is one of the basic functionality which is given by me. So this is the first task which we have done. So coming to how we clean the data. So for that purpose, there are various logics written, there are field standardization, there are format and structural issues. All of these are written in a function. You can just go into the you can just go into our code base, and if we'll if we'll basically see the logics in it, there is a lot of things are going here. So basically I at the end I will provide a PDF where all the logics are written, and basically just like you see data cleaner.py, there is all the logics which is written, how we clean the data, how we basically use it. And also there is also one of the things I want to show you. There is domain category. For the domain category we have used a AI classifier. Basically according to your skill set and all, it will basically categorize your domains. So because it is an AI classifier which I have used. So now coming to our second task, Annette in automation. So in this automation, if someone create a profile and it is a new profile, then admin gets a email that a new profile is created. But if someone tries to create a profile that matched some data with them, so it will gives a message that it is a duplicate profile. Also admin gets an email. So suppose I have create a profile just like Pratik Tiwari, and I have just create a number just like this. So I have just run n8n automation, our execution flow. So just like see, all the things is working fine, and it is gives that new candidates has been inserted. Now the thing is that we also get an email. We because we have to make a system where we have to basically show it into the email. Just a second, I have to create uh, new window where I can see, because my email is logged into some other windows. So basically I will show you what the email are sent, because just you see I have created because I have created a new user, then email would be sent to my mail. So yeah, just like this you can see Pratik Tiwari new person is created. So so this is the whole thing that is working. If you basically try to now you try to create some other person just like Adit Tiwari, but the phone number is same. Now it will give the duplicate issue. It will also let the admin to know that there is someone who is basically have duplicate data. So the system will restrict it, duplicate candidate intercepted. And you can also see it on the mail just like this. Yeah, you see this mail is coming. Yeah, candidate match detected with new submission and existing record and all. Everyone know this is a notification system which admin will know that there is someone try to basically someone try to create a profile which have duplicate datas. So this is our N8N automation flow which I have implemented. I have also used the validation of full name and phone number. Phone number must be of 10 digits and all. So this is the second task. Now coming to our third task. Coming to the third task, we have audio collection studio. Here we can make our profile, and there are two options. Here we can record the live music, and we can also upload our file just like in mp4, mp3, waveform and any other format, just like sorry mp3 and waveform. Basically these are audio files which we can upload here. So basically for before that I have to write a worker name and a phone number, just like I have written some name just like Shivanshu, and I have Shivanshu, and I have worker phone number just like 9839466801. So now you can create a you can record your voice. So I've just start recording, and I have just here I can record the file. This is the audio which I have record. I have a stop and finish. You can see audio is successfully analyzed and it is saved to our database, and with what is its configuration properties, everything is shown here. So this is how live studio works. There are various things, just like you have see here. You can see the audio submission. You can see in a list. You can also create one more profile and create its audio, and it will shown here perfectly. You can see that person phone numbers, that person audio playback. You can also hear it, increase that speed, decrease that speed. What is quality and SNR? Basically SNR is basically your noise ratio and your acoustic parameters. What are the duration, rate, bit rate, loudness, and all of the things are given here. Basically we use the library. Just like sound file, which basically converts our waveform into numpy arrays. There is also mutagen, which basically read the metadata of our basically audio files, just like duration, bitrate, sample rate. There are also various formula which is used to calculate the SNR ratio and all of the things, just like 100 SNR, how it is calculated. So basically there are formulas which is written in the backend logic, and it will basically show you all of the things. Here you can also have a filtering property. Here you can also qualities, just like you can also basically filter the sounds according to quality. So this is basically the our third task, our third task of audio submission. It is a live studio where you can record, and it is also a audio submission where you can see all your submission, what is your properties, configuration, and all. And there is also quick fill candidates, means it will show the recently upcoming candidates. You can also just select it, and basically you can record it. You can also upload your audio file here also. So these are the some task which is perfectly done for the task 3. Now we have also coming to task 4 and 5, which is a very good task. So basically in task 4 and 5 we have a audit, and then we have a scaling we have, because in the task 5 we have given how you can scale up to 5k. And in audit means, in audit we have to show what are the fixes we have done, what are the merges we have done, what we have do the changes. So basically in task 1, what profiles we have imported from the CSV, and how many of them are merged, how many of fields you have changed, and all the things are shown here in audit file. You can see this is the audit with proper reason, just like source, from which source you have taken that row, what is the row number, what is the root cause duplicate candidate match, and how automated fix applied, just like match the existing candidate ID 45, non-destructive update, preserve location Pune, merged emails, just like merge to data, and it will you get a whole log system. You can also download it in a CSV file, just like you have to just click on a download CSV report. You just get all the things properly in that file. So this is a very good thing, just like you can know where we have stuck, where we have merged the files. So basically this is the our task 4. We have to give the audit trails. So just one thing I have to clear, one confusion. So here there is a log file, log history. So in that log history, we only contain that data which is rejected, which is not coming into the system. And what are their reasons? But in tasks 4, what data are shown here, they are data which is merged, what data are changed, what data are standardized, and they are present in the system. So basically there are two logs. There is one is log history, that data is not imported into the system, and there is one is audit log history, basically the data which is basically merged, the data which is standardized, and all the things you can just see here, and it tend to see how it works. Now there is also a scaling, a 5k scale. How would you scale? There you can see a scaling architecture blueprint. If we add 5000 gig version, so there is what break first. The first thing that is break is synchronous audio CPU. If a lot of audio has been uploaded at once, so it will basically break out. There is also a problem of network ingress. There is also a problem of MySQL pool. Basically a lot of concurrent simultaneous basically connection has been established, and it will not basically hold it, and until and unless database will crash. So this is the what break first. And how would we production redesign? How would we redesign our production? So come, we use our various cloud services just like Amazon and all. So we can use various strategy just like direct to S3 pre-signer URL. We basically basically our audio stream which is coming to us, break it into chunks, save it into our S3 or somewhere clouds, and creates its URL, and pass it to our system. So this is one of our logic. There is Amazon SQS decoupling, auto scaling Lambda processors which can we use in our production system, Amazon RDS proxy plus Aurora MySQL. So these are basically our points which we can implement in our cloud based design or in our production system, so it will not break, so our system would not break. So this is a production redesign. Now we have estimated AWS monthly cost. So basically it is not up to it is not very accurate, but it is close to accurate. So this is the AWS monthly cost. Basically we use the Claude. We gives our basically number of clients which process simultaneously. In this case we have 5k. We give our scenario how we handle this, and then it will gives a rough idea, a rough cost, how what is the estimated AWS monthly cost in India. So this is shown here. So this is our whole app. All the 5 tasks are shown here, and every task has been done properly with proper use cases, with proper validation. You can go through it. I also give the GitHub link along with the PDF how I approach the data cleaning part, what are the processes in it, how audio is taken, what are the processes in it, how we calculate, what are the formulas used. All of the things are mentioned in that PDF. So this is the project. And one thing is that basically for locally starting, to locally start, you have just not to start front end once, you have not just to start back end once, because I have also already written a script. You have just have to run that script is bash start all.sh, and all things front end back end, all things work properly and it works fine. So this is our whole project. And if you have any query, then let me know. And I hope to hear back for the interview call. And this is the project which I have made. So thank you very much. Goodbye.